Hello heathens, excuse my humble setup, but this is my current 4-post lift situation.
Today I'm going to change the shift solenoids on this 4L60E transmission. It's commonly found in many Chevrolet trucks and SUVs. If your transmission doesn't shift up from second gear, this will most likely be your issue. The drain plug bolt is bad, so instead of messing with it for an hour, I'm just going to loosen the pan from one end, drip out a little bit of oil, and then I'm going to drop it. Doesn't seem I'm going to have to remove a lot of things. Just sit that to the side so it'll clear. I have to jiggle it a little bit here, but it's minimal clearance issues. Alright guys, so in order to minimize the amount of mess I'm going to make, a makeshift transmission jack. So this is putting a little bit of pressure on this, a very small amount, not too much, and it stopped leaking. So now I'm gonna unscrew it all around, and I'm gonna drop it like this, and I'm gonna try to tip this over to fall in there. So the brand new solenoids, GM, OEM. I don't want to do all this work and then have an issue with the actual solenoid. So get OEM when it comes to these type of things, guys, or don't. Whatever. We start by removing the clips. We can use a small screwdriver for this. The next step is to remove the holding clips for the solenoids. With the same small screwdriver, or in my case the ring remover, pull that tab out and the solenoids will easily slide out after that. And that right there is the reason why I couldn't shift. Now with the solenoids in, make sure you put the oil filter back on before putting the pan up. And whenever you're torquing anything that has to do with oil or can cause oil leaks, you have to be very particular how you do it. Alright, if you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.